Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. Here are 10 remedies to fight toenail fungus at home. 1. Ozonated Oil. Ozonated oil to fight toenail fungus at home. The much-touted ability of ozonated oils, such as olive oil or sunflower oil, to render fungus, yeast, and bacteria inactive has been common knowledge for centuries. These oils are produced by reacting ozone with oil, and they contain compounds with significant medicinal effects that are responsible for their success against toenail fungus. While all ozonated oils are injected with ozone gas and are effective against this condition, sunflower oil is known to yield the best results. Rub a small amount of this oil onto your toes 2 times a day to stop the toenail fungus in its tracks. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil to get rid of toenail fungus. Tea tree oil, Melaleuca, has antiseptic and antifungal properties that help in the treatment of toenail fungus. This oil is also used to treat other kinds of skin infections. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture onto the affected toenail. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and then use a toothbrush to gently scrub the affected nail. Repeat this twice or thrice daily until you are satisfied with the results. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda to treat toenail fungus. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is a readily available staple in most kitchens that can also be used to cure toenail fungus. Besides, it also works well to neutralize the foul odor emanating from the infected nail. Add cup of baking soda, cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and cup of Epsom salt to 4 cups of hot water. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, and then add cup of white vinegar to it. Soak the infected toenail in this solution for about 10 minutes. Wash your foot with clean water and dry it thoroughly. Repeat the process twice daily for several weeks. 4. White vinegar. White vinegar is one of the best ingredients in treating toenail fungus because it fights the infection and helps restore the skin's balance. Make a solution by mixing 1 part of white vinegar with 2 parts of warm water. Soak the infected toenail in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off and rid the affected area of any remnant moisture by thoroughly drying it. Repeat twice daily until the fungus is gone. 5. Oil of oregano. Oil of oregano to fight toenail fungus at home. Oil of oregano, origanum, has antiseptic, antibacterial, antiparasitic, antiviral, analgesic, and antifungal properties. Mix 2 drops of oil of oregano in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Apply this mixture on the affected nail. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Then, rinse it off and dry your toes thoroughly. Repeat once or twice daily for 3 weeks to see positive results. 6. Vicks VapoRub. Vicks VapoRub to fight toenail fungus at home. A study published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine demonstrates the effectiveness of Vicks VapoRub in the treatment of toenail fungus. The ointment is comprised of a variety of ingredients that possess antifungal activity. Use a cotton swab to apply a small amount of Vicks VapoRub ointment to the infected toenail daily. 7. Garlic. Garlic for toenail fungus. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin and agone that have antifungal properties that can help treat toenail fungus. Mix garlic oil with an equal amount of white vinegar. Apply this mixture on and around the infected toenail and cover the toe with a bandage thereafter. Leave it on for a few hours before removing the bandage. Repeat daily until the infection clears. If garlic oil is not available, you can whip up your own by frying 2 crushed garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then straining the oil. 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice to fight toenail fungus at home. Lemon juice has both antiseptic and antifungal properties. The citric acid present in lemon juice helps stop the toenail fungus from spreading. Apply fresh lemon juice on the infected toenail. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Another option is to mix equal amounts of lemon juice and olive oil and use this mixture to massage the infected area. Leave it on for a few hours before rinsing it off. Dry your toes thoroughly. The olive oil helps make your skin softer, while the lemon juice helps keep the fungal infections in check. Use either of these remedies a few times daily for 1 month or longer until positive results begin to show. 9. Lavender oil. Lavender oil to fight toenail fungus at home. Lavender oil has several volatile compounds and antiseptic properties that can fight any kind of infection and prevent skin irritation. Mix 5 drops each of lavender oil and tea tree oil. Use a cotton ball to apply this solution under the top edge of the affected toenail and the surrounding areas. Leave it on for at least 10 minutes, rinse it off, and dry your toes thoroughly thereafter. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. 10. Orange oil. Orange oil to fight toenail fungus at home. Orange oil contains the chemical limonene that has antifungal properties and can be used to treat toenails infected with fungus. Orange oil can cause allergic reactions and can have various side effects, so it is important to test a small amount of orange oil on a spot of skin prior to using this remedy. Use a dropper to apply pure orange oil between your toes and on and under your toenails. If you have sensitive skin, then dilute the essential oil with an equal amount of carrier oil, such as grapeseed oil. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 times daily until you see an improvement. The effectiveness of these natural remedies depends on proper use and application. Give these remedies time of at least 1 or 2 months to engender positive results. Adhering to these self-methods with patience and persistence will see you through this discomforting toenail infection and prevent further complications. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and share this video with your